What's up, guys? Welcome back to another beautiful day on the island of Oahu. Today is my birthday, so there's gonna be no hikes, nothing strenuous today. Just a full day of eating great food, drinking beer, and seeing some awesome sights because I need to get some drone footage. I don't have nearly enough drone footage for my vlog, so I'm gonna be doing that all day today, which is why I'm at Lanikai Beach again right now. Decided it's a little more packed than the first time I came, but it's all right. I'm gonna try to get the drone up for a bit, get about 5 minutes of footage, and relax for a bit. Even though it's a little more packed than the first time, I still prefer this beach over Waikiki. Waikiki is just crawling with tourists. I mean, there's a lot of people here today, but the water's a little nicer to me too here at Lanikai. All right, got the drone all set up. Let's take flight and get some footage real quick. Got some good drone footage here at Lanikai. The first time I was here, I wasn't able to get some good footage because I wasn't really accustomed to flying the drone. I just bought this drone like 2 weeks ago, and I haven't really had a chance to fly it out and test its capabilities. So I had to learn it on the fly while I was here, and I'm getting used to it. So I'm glad I came back out here to get some good drone footage. I'm gonna hang out here for a little bit, another 30 minutes or so. It's about to be lunchtime again, so after this I'm gonna go get some food and head back into town and find some more spots to fly the drone out. So I put my QR code, my Cash App QR code up on Facebook and Instagram with a little tag that said, hey, today's my birthday. If you want to buy me a birthday shot or a birthday beer, here's the QR code to send me money. And you guys have been flooding me with money ever since I posted it up. I think it's up to about $100 right now. So you guys obviously want me to get hammered today. But I just want to say thank you to everyone who sent me money today for my birthday for beers and shots. I really appreciate it. Thank you. All right, guys, I'm gonna stop in here. A place called Big City Diner. Try out their food. Went ahead and got another local mocha plates. I liked it so much over at Rainbow Drive-In. I wanted to try it again. And I got a little side of kimchi. Let the drinking begin. Order myself a Mai Tai. Happy birthday to me. Cheers. Wow, it's really, really good. Check that out. Viva Mexico.
And there's more mochi on the bottom, okay?
Oh,
but
awesome.
They like to run away.
Thank you. Guys, I've never had a mochi before, but it's really, really good. This is a Blue Hawaiian and coconut shave ice. It's kind of falling apart already because it's melting and wasn't able really to hold it with 2 hands. That's really, really good. Guys, we're here at Waimanalo Beach. It's very, very windy, but I'm gonna try to get the drone up and get a few shots. It has sport mode, so I think it'll be able to withstand these winds. So let's get a few shots here while we're at the beach. was some pretty good drone footage, guys. I'm glad I came out here. I'm just looking up random spots on the map to see, you know, where I think would be a good spot to get some drone footage, and this one was pretty good. It's 5 o'clock now. I'm gonna get on the bus, head back to downtown Honolulu, so I can hit up a bar. I'm thinking about going to a karaoke bar or something. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look on the map again, see exactly what bars there are downtown, if there are any open too. So I'll see you guys in a few minutes downtown, okay? Let's go. We're back in the downtown area, guys. I was looking up some karaoke bars, but I couldn't find any that are open. So there's a bar that I saw on the map called Cuckoo Coconuts that has really, really good reviews, and it just opened right now. So I'm gonna go and try and check that one out, have a few drinks there, and depending on how the atmosphere is, maybe I'll stay there for the night or maybe I'll bar hop. But let's get over there. Check out this guy.
We don't have a Corona, but we have a steak. Come on.
He said, we don't have Corona, but we have steak. Come on in. I'm good. It's a nice little souvenir shop here right by the bar that I'm gonna have to check out afterwards. Pick up a few things. All right, guys, here it is. Cuckoo Coconuts. Let's go check it out. Check that drink out, guys. You can't come to Hawaii and not have one of these pineapple drinks. Okay, guys, I'm gonna be drinking a lot of alcohol tonight, so I gotta eat something. Got a Hawaiian burger here. About to munch out and enjoy the vibes. Alright guys, I just finished leaving the bar. It is midnight on the dot here in the Waikiki district of Honolulu. You know, the bars are closed already. There's no alcohol being served, but there's still a lot of activity going on. But I'm gonna call it a night. I'm going to catch an Uber and get back to my Airbnb and go to bed because it's been a long day. I'm not tired because of hikes or anything like that today, but just a lot of drinking, a lot of walking and stuff, but definitely a very good birthday. One of the most memorable ones that I've had in a long time. And I'll never forget it. Thank you for everybody who made it possible today, everybody that donated money for beers and shots today. Shout out to Amanda and Liz, who I met at Cuckoo Coconuts Bar. Unfortunately, the footage that I shot with you guys didn't go through because I had it on photo mode instead of video mode, but it's all right. Shout out to you guys. All right, guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here, and I will see you in the next video, okay? Cheers.